Okay guys, well, welcome back to another episode of Unfiltered Fishing. And for anybody who happened to watch the last video, knows that I got a nice hole in my waders. I'm not going to say how that happened. In order to find out how that happened, you'll have to go back and watch that video, which I will link right now. So now I'm doing a wader repair. So as you can see, there is the hole in my waders. The shade there. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that area with an alcohol pad so that there won't be any dirt. Nice and clean to stick it to. And I kind of prepped everything ready to go, so this would be, you know, a relatively quick video. We'll give that a second to dry.
You want it to dry?
I want it to dry, yes. So, I don't know, I may cut out depending on how long this takes to dry. Which, it looks like it's drying pretty quick, so. It is alcohol, so it does burn off pretty fast. Then I already have the tear aid that came with the waders cut into proper size strip. They wanted it about an inch on each side. Place that over the middle of the hole. Nice and flat. Pick that up a little. Straighten out more. Get that as flush as possible. Press that down. Now it does say on the instruction this stuff dries pretty much as soon as you put it on. I'll trim that with scissors. Just to, you know, that small tag end. What I'm going to do is turn these waders inside out. As you can see, there's the hole on the inside. Get yourself another alcohol pad. Clean that up on the inside here. Give that about a minute to dry. Okay, so I definitely don't like the way the last piece stuck. Too much. Redoing that piece. Oh, that's not much better. Much better. Much better. That's much better there. Not too worried about the inside. More worried about the outside where the water's going to come in. That should be it. Takes about an hour to fully dry. We'll be ready for tonight if I do decide to go out. I might try something different tonight. So, alright guys, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you want to see actually how I got this hole in my waders, you can go back and watch the last video. If you want to see more content like this, you know, hit that subscribe button, hit this bell notification. You like this video, please let me know you like it. And leave a comment down below in the comment section. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and keep on fishing. Talk to you later.